Mainz and Money London 2018. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back, and it's the end of the third day. And now with me here is Martyn Element, the chairman of AIS Resources. And I think we spoke actually a good year, or maybe 2 years even ago.
2 years ago.
Martyn, welcome. Great to have you back
Thank
here.
you. I wanted to come back because it was one of the best things we did, and it got a lot of response, and I felt very comfortable with you. So
thank you very much. My pleasure. My pleasure.
Thank you.
Okay, AIS Resources. You had some changes in the management. Now the company is moving forward. But maybe before we start into that, can you shortly tell us where's the company based and where are you working?
We are based in Vancouver. We are what's classed by the laws of the Toronto Stock Exchange venture. We are called an investment issuer, which means that we can invest in anything we want. At the moment, of course, we're very, very focused on lithium with AIS. The company's been around since 1971, I think.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've had no consolidations.
Yeah.
It's still got the original shares outstanding, which is now up to, I think, just north of 60 million or 52 million,
good,
somewhere in there. And we focused on lithium for the last 2.5, almost 3 years. And it's been a long, long, hard road. We drilled a lithium property about, must be about 6 months ago now, and we didn't hit the target, but we spent money and we looked and we didn't get it. The target was good enough for us to drill. It wasn't overwhelmingly supportive with the seismic, but it was good, so we tried. But our main target is called the Washachuck in the province of Jujuy, which is right at the very top of Argentina, which is bordered Bolivia,
so in the
Chile.
elephant territory, I would call it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry?
In the elephant territory.
Yeah, elephant territory. Well, Orocobri's up there, and some of the biggest producers on the planet are actually in Jujuy. But Jujuy traditionally is a very difficult province to work in for many different reasons, and which we found out the hard way, but we found out. We've been working to drill a property which is a wonderful target. It used to be a boron mine, and therefore there's been a lot of work done on the property in the past, and we've done a lot of seismic work, and it's always been, probably without overstepping the mark, it's probably one of the most drillable targets in the country today. And it's taken us 2.5 going into almost 3 years to get permission to drill it. And now we've got a long time, and it's cost us a lot of money. As a small little junior company, it's cost us with payments and option payments, 2.5 million Canadian plus. But finally, we've managed to get permission, and at the moment we have permission to drill part of the salar that we're got the option on, but it's a part that's more than enough to prove up the whole property. We hope to get the rest of the salar shortly. We're right in the middle of meetings, and that's all been publicized publicly.
And the drills are turning now, or this starts in the new year?
No. Good question. We also came across a very interesting looking property in Salinas, which is just below Jujuy province, and we've joint ventured that property with a company called MGX, which you may well be aware of. And we've done an 80-20 where they're spending all the money, 100% of the money, and we get carried for 20%.
Sure.
That started to drill yesterday.
Ah, okay.
So that's going very well. Looks very, very good from the seismic, but God knows the answer, rather than me or you or anybody. But
I hope you know it soon, the answer, because you put it in the lab.
Yes, yeah. But more importantly for a little company, we are drilling, I would say, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week of the Jujuy Washachuck property. And we would have been drilling now, but because it's sort of a good reason, bad reason, we're not drilling because the brine is running within 2 meters of the surface. And we have built the rig with the cement and everything, and all the scaffolding is up and everything's ready to go. We just need the drill to be put on. Now, I didn't realize, but those drills weigh up to 6 tons. And you drive 6 tons across the lake bed is what it is. And it sinks in. So we've had some problems. So we've had to actually rebuild the last kilometer has had to have been rebuilding a road, which we're doing at the moment. So it's been not that expensive, not as expensive as you'd think. I'm thinking sort of $25,000, not $250,000.
That's handle.
Yeah, so
handling.
we should have that done shortly, and the target is a tremendous target. And I've just brought something here today. This is carbonated lithium, almost pure, almost 99% pure.
That's the stuff which goes in the battery then, or?
This is the pure stuff. We about 6 months ago, we got 113 water trucks to the property, and we filled them up with brine, because it's all there at the surface, because of the old workings of the boron, and we took it to the laboratory that we indirectly, we don't control, but our people that work with us own a laboratory and a small production plant. And we ran, and we got 2.5 kilograms of pure carbonated lithium. So we know there's good quality lithium on the property, but what we don't know, of course, is the truth fairy, as my mentor tells me. We're going to be going down about 200 to 300 meters. It'll take us, we'll do about 20 to 30 meters a day, or up to 40 if it's easy. So we're going to be down, if we start drilling Wednesday, Thursday next week, we'll be down, within a very short space of time, we will be down at target depth. And we're going to hit brine as soon as we start drilling, but we just don't know what's going to go on lower down, although it says on the seismic there's things there, and we don't know whether it's going to run ppm. But the thing I wanted to stress, and what I was saying to you before, is that last Christmas we were at last celebration period, to be politically correct. Last year, this time, we were trading around 145 a share. We were capped in the $65 million range. That was on the opportunity of drilling the target that we're drilling next week. Now, admittedly, the lithium market has corrected significantly, but I like to use Millennium as an example. That's corrected, but not that much, and Graham's a good friend, and so we're going after a target of that kind of size, and we will know. I talked to Philip this morning, he's on the property at the moment. He says we'll know before Christmas, and we have the money, more than enough to drill the property. So it's going to be a very exciting ride. We're capped at $6 million today, and we're trading at 10 cents. So a hell of as the Englishman would say, a punt. It's a punt. It's very, very risky, but I'm excited. But
it could be a big opportunity.
Oh, I could see what happens.
Last question, what is money in the bank? Can you, let's say, fulfill the work program for 2019, or maybe you need some money?
That's a good question too. We're being offered all kinds of money, but we're reluctant to take it. We don't need it right now, and we're reluctant to take a lot of money at 10 cents. 11 cents, 10, 11 cents. So right now, a lot of the money that's been put up for this current drilling has been the directors themselves, significant amounts of money.
Okay, so what's the share of the management in the company?
Yes,
approximately.
Oh, I don't know, probably 10% or something.
10%.
I hope that's not the right number. 7, 8, 9%, somewhere in there.
So in the high single digits.
Yes.
Super.
So,
well, then let the drills turn, and we look forward to...
And thank you for having me.
Of course.
Thank you.
Yeah. And let's see what comes out quite soon.
Hopefully we'll need an update in the spring.
I would love to do that. Thank you very much, Martyn.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Martyn Element, the chairman of AIS Resources, and you heard that the drills are turning. They really started yesterday, and we look forward to some results here, and we keep you posted. I think latest at PDAC, we see us again, and then let's see what you guys found. Thanks for watching us, and that is the real stuff here from AIS. That's real lithium, and see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye from London.